Hello guys, this is Charlie from SRC, and now you see this is a new product from SRC and URX. It's officially licensed Glock product, and this is Gen 5 with MOA system. It comes with 4 adapter plates, and it will be CO2 and gas compatible. That means you can put CO2 magazine, and you also can put gas magazine. It works perfectly on both magazine, both power. This is Glock 19, and here we also have Glock 17, also Gen 5 with MOA system, and also dual power system. This is the CO2 magazine, and this is the gas magazine. And this is our new pistol. It's we call it Night Viper. Actually, it's a pistol from movie John Wick. And this is also you guys know our pistols are CO2 and gas compatible. You can just switch magazine. Nothing need to change on the slide. So just switch magazine. And we got a longer magazine this year, like this. And this magazine has a bigger room for gasification, so it provides more power and also more rounds of BBs. And this is we call it a Sahara Viper, and this is Dark Viper. Basically, it got a red dot ready system. You can switch the red dots from this to this. You can use the armor system on the high cap. And this is our latest version of M4. It got a forged receiver. Both upper and lower receiver, they are forged. And what's special is the surface treatment is made from hard anodized. The receiver, the handguard, and the barrel are all hard anodized. You can scratch it with a metal. It doesn't break the paint. Only the paint will break your tool. Yeah, so it had a very powerful blowback kick. And what's more is the magazine. There are 2 cartridges inside the magazine, so it provides a longer use and more fire rounds. And let's check out how the forged receiver was made. This is a whole solid piece of metal, and we do CNC to these metals to this. So it takes a lot of time, but the product we have is super durable. Thank you guys.